Hello, beautiful souls. My name is Shashwati. Recently, I have started my spiritual journey, and my spiritual journey has different modalities in it. So, we are often stuck in our life. We are not able to understand what to do in certain circumstances. So, these are all spiritual tips that I will be providing you in my Facebook page, in Instagram, and my YouTube channel with the name of Seers of Light. So basically, I will be handling all the queries if you have. So, in the areas of attracting abundance, in the areas of attracting career, a good career, and abundance is not only money, it also talks about good relationship with friends, with colleagues, with your parents, good relationship, career, so good health, and attracting your soulmate, twin flame relationship. Everything I will be taking you in my Facebook page, in my Instagram page, and YouTube. And the healing modalities that I will be taking is that uh, the importance of chakra. So the importance of chakra, the colors associated with it, how to clean and balance, why it is important to clean and balance our chakras, crystal importance of crystals in our life. So how the crystal helps in balancing us. Okay, and I will be also taking care of teaching you different spiritual modalities, like how to know about your spirit guides, how to take help from them. So there are animal spirit guides and angels and fairies also present in this universe that we often have heard about in our childhood days. So we have heard like these are all fiction characters, but they don't exist. When we actually came in our adult phase, and we came to know that these are all fiction, that our nannies and grand nannies or our parents had told, that these all are fiction, but these all exist in this nature, in this universe. So I will be taking care of this also to teach you, to so that you can take help from them. So we have animal spirit guides also, uh, who comes in our life when we are at the time of birth. From the time of birth till we our soul goes apart in heaven. So our soul travels apart. So we also have spirit guides. So animal spirit guides, it's a part of shamanism. And angel therapy, angel, how can you attract abundance, love, career, a good relationship with the help of angel? How can we take help from elemental beings like elves, genomes, fairies, pixies? There are lots of elemental beings present in this universe. So I will be taking care of this also. And in my upcoming videos, I will be sharing all the spiritual methods of healing yourself. So basically, healing your family problems, healing your money issues, healing your health issues, healing your career issues. So I will be taking care of that also. And if I talk about the predictive modality that I know, is the numerology and also the oracle card and tarot card reading that I will be giving you. Some, if you want to come with me, some of from for any queries and anything, you can contact me in the given link. So stay tuned with me in Seers of Light. Thank you.